What's up, everybody? It's PJ 437 Motorsports. Getting ready to do a little performance mod, or not, but it cleans it up and smooths some air. And since mice like chewing on things, right there, got a little hole. They got hungry. Gotta fix that. Can't have no dust getting in there if we can help it. Living on a gravel road. It's been like that for about a month. Finally got one of these off of Amazon because they're cheaper than the SLPs, like 22 bucks for that. So we're going to see if it fits first off, try to get it installed on there and see how it goes. And also, I appreciate everybody that has subscribed to begin with, and the few comments and the thumbs ups, greatly appreciated, and the watch time. If you could, please share all these videos. Try to help my sub count get up. Trying to get to the monetization. I really like to take the income that I get from the channel and put it into the car to do some performance mods, get it faster, try to get it to the track a little more often, and progress through the build, showing y'all progression with times and what it runs and all that good stuff. So the sooner we can get to the 1,000 and 4,000 that YouTube requires, the better. And like I said, I appreciate all y'all watching and subscribing. Thank you. Always forget these little plastic clips right here. Hold the air lid down. One on each side, you gotta pop loose. No. You gotta make sure you put them back in the right way or they won't slide back into the tank. The only real tool you need on this is a flathead screwdriver, just to get the clamps loose. And you can see that hole right there. Try a little lube on here, see if we can get this thing on. Try a little deep creep. Just a little tight on this end. A little big on the MAF sensor and tight here on the throttle body. So close. Come on. It's right there. You can do it. Whew. That's a little work. Alright, looks to be on there. Now the question is, will it tighten up on the MAF sensor? Since it felt a little big on that. I guess that's on there. We'll see Tighten this one up and then I'll see if I can pull it loose. If it won't come loose, let it pull apart, and it seems to be on there tight. Probably wouldn't hurt to do place to factory clamps if you do it. I just got these things in yesterday, so I didn't have it to get the clamps. So I just went with what comes on. Alright. That seems snug. I'm gonna let it ride. Little pins back in. Plug up the electronics. Alright. Wasn't terrible. And wipe some dust off of it, even though it's going to get dirty soon anyway. The pollen's so bad around here. There we go. Got her installed. And like I said before, and the SLP probably fits better. I don't know if the quality's any different. Sorry about the sidewaysness. Trying to get this thing down in there. There we go. There you have it. It's a smooth bellow installed on the LS1 and the Camaro. Trans Am, works same. Quality, looks pretty good, feels solid. It's a silicone coupler. I imagine it's just like the SLP, which is I think 78 bucks, and I got that for 22. So to be honest, if it works, it works. I bought 2 of them. I got the other one. I'm gonna some point down the road here, we're gonna be drilling a hole in somewhere in it and putting a nozzle in it for a little power adder, hopefully. And we'll have a video for that if I get it done, or when I get it done. I need to tune up and stuff like that still before we put the power adder on. So there we are. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. 437 Motorsports. Hopefully I have some track days coming if my schedule permits. My daughter plays ball for the high school and also for Parks and Recs, so it kind of ties up a lot of time right now. Stepdaughter plays too. My stepdaughter, I'm sorry. She plays Parks and Recs also, so got a lot of time with the family stuff going on. So when I can finally get to the track, I'll definitely be going, getting some video of that. So thanks for hanging around. Hit that bell notification too, so you can know when I post the next video. And hopefully there'll be some more Ginger upgrades, maybe performance, and there will be some maintenance stuff too going on. Thank you for watching.